Welcome to our channel. This is DHWS Tests channel. Today Vivo iQoo Neo 3 unboxing. Vivo sub-brand iQoo had launched their first 5G phone iQoo 3 a few weeks ago. It offers excellent features at an affordable price range. Now, the iQoo came with another smartphone named iQoo Neo 3, a new smartphone. iQoo Neo 3 5G launched in China and it comes with a flagship processor. The phone features a triple camera setup. The main highlight is iQoo Neo 3 features a much exciting 144Hz display. iQoo Neo 3 specs suggest that a new impressive phone by the company. Okay, don't waste your time. First time open the box and look box content. In the box front side, mini box and barcode strikers. Okay, let's look. Mini box inside. Inside free case and paperwork's here. Let's look case. It's not a hard case but not bad. Case right side, fingerprint cut out here. Top side headphone cut out. Anyways, it could give you free case. It's good. Then more box front side mobile here. Later look overview. More AC adapter. It support 55W super flash charge last. Type-C cable. Overall no headphone here on the box. First overview, phone side by side. Phone covered on plastic cover. First look, phone back cover. Blue cover. Wow, see guys, phone color, so beautiful. Do you like, guys? I like it. Look, phone back side. The phone features a triple camera setup. The rear camera has a 48MP primary camera, a secondary 13MP shooter that takes wide-angle shots, a tertiary 13MP telephoto lens and a 2MP depth shooter as well. On the front is a 16MP f/2.0 camera for shooting selfies and recording 1080p videos. The rear camera is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The phone comes with a 6.57-inch IPS LCD punch hole display. The refresh rate here is 144Hz, which will be a good offering by the company. The device has full HD plus resolution. iQoo Neo 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 865, which is 5G embedded processor. It will come with up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB internal storage of UFS 3.1. The device will run on iQoo UI 1.0 based on Android 10. The device comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is the latest trend now. The device sports a triple camera setup. It has a camera configuration of 48MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide sensor and 2MP macro sensor. It is a 16MP selfie camera in the punch hole. As far as I know, there are no mobile devices that have reached 144Hz. However, we are getting closer, especially because it makes the phone feel smoother. It is a way to make a consumer perceive one phone as faster than another, even if they have comparable hardware. A lot of flagships are trending towards 90Hz, while some gaming phones are already at 120Hz. The problem with high refresh rate displays is that it requires more processing power to run them and thus reduces battery